Yeah, so I hope the diagram is clear as I wanted it to be. So here you don't have to forget about what the question says. Read the question carefully always on circle geometry, and most of the points that they give you in the question, it's like they give you a hint to answer the question. So like in the diagram, O is the center of the circle. So when you're always given a center in a cyclic quad, you have to know that you should apply that something somehow about the radius, about the diameter or something. You have to apply something, but already up or not, there is no diameter because it's only radius. Any line from the center to the circumference is radius. So in this case we have three radiuses. We have OA, OB, and OC. All the radius, they are equal. So I'm putting these lines just to say these lines, they are radius and they are equal. So these three lines, OA, OB, and OC, they are all radius. So we have a small triangle with that radius, we have that another small triangle. So it's an isosceles triangle. So that means this angle and this angle, they're equal. So already we know that here it's 54. So we can easily find this angle, which is BOC. We can easily find this angle. This plus this from 180, we get 72. So we've completed this try. We haven't started answering the actual question, but this is just the facts that we see according to what we know already. So applying one of our principles, angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So we have to know exactly what are you referring to. So this angle at the center, this one is twice angle at the circumference. This one, not the whole part, only this one on this triangle, only this one. So this, if it's 72, we divide it by 2, then we get 36 here. So that's one thing that we already know. Then talking about the tangent, whenever you see the tangent, there are two things that you should know. Whenever a tangent meets a radius, 90 degrees is formed. So a tangent meets the radius. It's a very important theorem. You will see it on your theorems at the top left corner. The first one at the left side. It says whenever a tangent, this one is, we identify this as a tangent. So whenever this tangent meets this, whenever this tangent meets a radius, 90 degrees is formed. So the whole of this now is 90 degrees. From that radius, go and touch the tangent. This is 90 degrees. So from there to there, this is 90 degrees. This is our 90 degrees. So this one, we can find this angle. So we just say 90, the whole part is 90 minus 40 here. We have 50 there. Also, this side, again, from the radius to the tangent, it's 90 degrees. I don't know if you're going to use that part, but for now, let's just use. So that's one thing we know whenever we have tangent. If it meets a radius, then 90 degrees is formed on both sides. Then whenever there's a 90 degrees, there is a tangent as well. We have to look for alternate angles are equal. So alternate angles, this one on this alternate angle, on this triangle, because it meets at A. So the triangle that meets at A is A, it's BAD. to pronounce it correctly. It's BAD because it meets here. So what's the triangle that meets here? It's BAD, BAD, BAD. Then alternate angles are equal. So this on this triangle, this angle is equal to 40, and also this angle is on this triangle that we're talking about iri equal to iyoyi apa kuri kunzi tingadai tinayo. You see, so already that's one thing that we know. What else? Then cyclic quad there. This whole is the cyclic quad. This whole thing which is this whole thing ESA, it's 76. We add the 2 ESA, no cyclic quad. This whole part is this and this whole thing, this side ndoinenge ichitipa opposite. So kana tine apa pese apa takuziva kuti it's 180 minus 76, which is close to 104. Pese apa it's 104. So kana tine yeapa 54, yeapa haichanetsa kuti kuwana because tangoti 104 minus yagara yanga iri 50 zvayo. Tagara tanichesongoziya because already you see kuti itati iri neiri rakaenzana. This is a triangle, so iri rine iri rakaenzana. Sai apa neapa pakaenzana. So apa takutoti 50-50. So apa takutowana iri 8. So takutongoma mixa. So question iri kuda OAB ndo 50 degrees. It's one. Then question also wants A or B. A or B is 80 degrees. Futhi it's one. Then ADC ndo 76. It's rapid. Kana wagona kufila already zvezva easy kuti chi. Then AOC this one, but it talks about a reflex. I need to give you homework. I need you to find reflex. Give me the answer tomorrow. So tomorrow we should do some more examples. So hopefully this may help you to understand. I think I'll try to do this more and more, but you have to keep practicing this because it only needs practice. Okay.